بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ یہ سورہ ہود کا آیت نمبر 69 سے شروع ہو رہی ہے۔ In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. وَلَقَدْ جَاءَتْ رُسُلُنَا ابراہیم بِالْبُشْرَى قَالُوا سَلَامًا. And our messengers came unto Ibrahim with good news. قَالَ سَلَامٌ فَمَا لَبِثَ أَنْ جَاءَ بِعِجْلٍ حَنِيذٍ. They said peace. He answered peace, and delayed not to bring a roasted calf. فَلَمَّا رَأَى أَيْدِيَهُمْ لَا تَصِلُ إِلَيْهِ قَالَ لَا تَصِلُ إِلَيْهِ نَكِرَهُمْ أَوْجَسَ مِنْهُمْ خِيفَةً قَالُوا لَا تَخَفْ إِنَّا أُرْسِلْنَا إِلَىٰ قوم لوط. And when he saw their hands reached not to it, when he saw their hands reached not to it, he mistrusted them and conceived a fear of them. They said, "Fear not, lo, we are sent unto the flock of Lut. وَامْرَأَتُهُ قَائِمَةٌ فَضَحِكَتْ فَبَشَّرْنَاهَا بِإِسْحَاقَ وَمِنْ وَرَاءِ إِسْحَاقَ يَعْقُوبَ. And his wife standing by laughed when we gave her good tidings of the birth of Isaac, and after Isaac of Jacob. قالت يا ويلتى أَلِدُ وأنا عجوز وهذا بالي شيخا إن هذا لشيء عجيب. She said, "Oh, woe is me! Shall I bear a child when I am an old woman, and this my husband is an old man? Lo, this is a strange thing." قالوا أتعجبين من أمر الله رحمة الله وبركاته عليكم أهل البيت إنه حميد مجيد. They said, "Wonderest thou at the commandment of the Allah, the mercy of Allah and His blessing be upon you, O people of the house. Lo, He is owner of the praise, owner of the glory." فَلَمَّا ذَهَبَ عَنْ إِبْرَاهِيمَ الرُّؤْيَا وَجَاءَتْهُ الْبُشْرَى يُجَادِلُنَا فِي قَوْمِ لُوط. And when the Eve departed from the Ibrahim, and the glad news reached him, he pleaded with us on behalf of the flock of Lut. Inna Ibrahima lahalimun awwahun munib. Lo, Ibrahim was mild, imploring, patient. Ya Ibrahim arid an haza innahu qad jaa amru rabbik wa innahu atihim azabun ghayru mardud. It was said, "O Ibrahim, forsake this. Lo, thy Lord's commandment hath gone forth, and lo, there cometh unto them a doom which cannot be repelled." وَلَمَّا جَاءَتْ رُسُلُنَا لُوطًا سِيَّأَ بِهِمْ وَضَاقَ بِهِمْ ذَرْعًا فَقَالَ هَذَا يَوْمٌ عَسِيرٌ. And when our messengers came unto Lut, he was distressed and knew not how to protect them. He said, "This is a distressful day." وَلَمَّا جَاءَتْ رُسُلُنَا لُوطًا سِيَّأَ بِهِمْ وَضَاقَ بِهِمْ ذَرْعًا فَقَالَ هَذَا يَوْمٌ عَسِيرٌ. And when our messengers came unto Lut, he was distressed and knew not how to protect them. He said, "This is a distressful day." وَجَاءَ قَوْمُهُ يُهْرَعُونَ إِلَيْهِ وَمِنْ قَبْلُ كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ السَّيِّئَاتِ قَالَ يَا قَوْمِ هَؤُلَاءِ بَنَاتِي هُنَّ أَطْهَرُ لَكُمْ فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَلَا تُخْزُونِ فِي ضَيْفِي أَلَيْسَ مِنْكُمْ رَجُلٌ رَشِيدٌ? And his people came unto him, running towards him, and before they used to commit abominations. He said, O people, here are my daughters, they are pure for you. Beware of the Allah, and degrade me not in the presence of my guests. Is there not among you any upright man? قال لقد علمت ما لنا في بناتك من حق وإنك لتعلم ما نريد. They said, well, thou knowest that we have no right to thy daughters, and well, thou knowest what we want. قال لو أن لي بكم قوة أو آوي إلى ركن شديد. He said, would that I had strength to resist you and had some strong support among you. قال يا لوط إن رسل ربك قالوا يا لوط إن رسل ربك لن يصلوا إليك فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل ولا يلتفت منكم أحد إلا امرأتك إنه مصيبها ما أصابهم إن موعدهم الصبح أليس الصبح بقريب. The messenger said, O Lut, lo, we are messengers of thy Lord, they shall not reach thee. So travel with thy people in a part of night, and let not one of them turn round, all save thy wife. Lo, that which smiteth them with smite her also. Lo, their triest is for the morning. Is it the morning? Is not the morning nigh? Alamma jaa amruna jalna aliyaha safilaha amtarna alayha hijaratan min sijil mansud. And so when our commandment came to pass, we overthrew that town and drained it with stones of the clay, one after another. So when our commandment came to pass, we overthrew that township and drained it stones of clay, one after another. Masawwamatan inda rabbika وما هي من الظالمين ببعيد. Marked with fire in the providence of thy Lord for the destruction of the wicked, and they are never far from the wrongdoers. Sadaqallahul Azim wa sadaqa Rasulun Nabil Kareem. तो ये तो लूत अलैहिस्सलाम का ज़िक्र आ गया और वो नूह अलैहिस्सलाम का आ गया.